Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fall Guys missing files. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Epic Game application on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now you will be on the home page of your account. After that, click on the Library tab in the left side menu and all of the installed games will be present here on this page. Now click on the three dots icon on the Fall Guys game tile and you can see it has currently occupied a total of 6 GB of storage. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Manage tab and then Verify Files. This feature helps in detecting corrupt files if there are any. If it scans any corrupt file, it will just download and resolve the problem with the game and the problem will be solved. But if there is no problem with it, you can try checking if there is enough storage space on your PC. If there isn't, the game may not run and may cause problems. But if that's not the case, the last resort you have is to uninstall the game by clicking on the three dots icon and selecting uninstall and then install it again. So that's basically how you can fix Fall Guys missing files. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.